what was a dream 27 years ago is a reality.
All right.
We are gathered here because this is the ribbon cutting of our Gene Haas Center for Advanced Manufacturing and Technology.
We wanted to partner with you, and Gene Haas wanted his name on this building.
The Camp Tech is an outstanding opportunity for Bishop State to be at the forefront of manufacturing training in this region. And this facility will allow Bishop State to prepare students to meet the demands for skilled workers.
Having been in manufacturing for all these years, I was thinking, this is brilliant. I mean, this is laid out so intuitively and intelligently for a manufacturing facility.
So this building houses a lot of components based around two things. One, STEM, for all of our STEM-related classes and programs, and the other side, 50,000 square feet, are dedicated to advanced manufacturing. So everything from machine tool technology to 3D printing to process tech to industrial maintenance, robotics, manufacturing will all be taught in this building.
Let's make this not just a building. Let's make this an environment that students receive training and opportunities, but yet they begin to believe in themselves.
What's most important is what's going to happen inside and how it's going to change lives and just create horizons that some people never dreamed for themselves and their families.
They say, well, I got an education, but I don't have the experience. Or, I got the experience, but I don't quite have the education. But here at Bishop State, and the FAME program specifically, has given me that opportunity to have both. And it has made me more prepared to enter the workforce.
It also tees the city of Mobile up to compete for the best industry that's out there.
Currently in Mobile, the manufacturing workforce makes up 8% of our workforce, and that equates to about 23,000 people. And that number is growing. So in order for us to be here and serve that need and help these companies, Bishop State has to provide a quality center that can train people to help them get to work for these industries.
When we have prospects that come into town for manufacturing, we bring them here and say, here's where you're going to get your workforce from. These are the young people and not so young people who are receiving the training that's cutting edge that we know that you need to manufacture whatever your product is.
I just expect this to be a model for the state.
You know, this is brick and mortar, but it's also a symbol as to where Bishop State is going as a college and a community.
Thank you, Haas, for your generous contribution in which helped Bishop State to provide excellent teaching staff. Because of your help, students such as me, America will be bright.